Hello guys, and welcome back to StaadPro, the home of software. In this channel, we upload a lot of videos in cutting across various software, StaadPro, AutoCAD. Very soon we are going to be uploading content about how to use Rota structure, or even Primavera for planning. Okay, so just stay tuned. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel. We have a lot for you. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show us how to paint objects in Brics or AutoCAD to make it very faint like this. So it's not just to reduce the line weight to 0.05. So there are other things you can do to make your object to be as faint as this. So even when you print it, that's going to still be as faint as this. You can even make it to be more faint, depending on what you want. And when you print it, that's going to show like this. So why do we paint objects? So we paint objects because in this particular drawing, I'm showing site grading plan. And inside it is plot plan. I'm just trying to show plot plan. But plot plan is not the reason for the document. The reason for this document is site grading. So because plot plan is not the major documentation here, I need to make it very faint because I needed the client to also know that this is how the plot plan is seated in the sites in the plot. While I'm also doing my site grading drawing and giving them the details that are supposed to follow the site grading drawing. They should also be seeing the plot plan in the background. But plot plan is not going to be that prominent. That's why I painted it this way. So let me just quickly show you how to do exactly the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Let me just draw a line across this drawing. Then we'll now go to paper space to check it. Okay, because that is where we actually notice the changes. So this is the line. Because the line is prominent, is bolder than the plot plan I've already painted. So let me just show us how to paint this line. So when you select this line, you type properties. Okay, so it brings out this dialog box. So I'll click on this by layer, click on select color. Okay, so it comes up like this. So you click on true color. So you can carry this thing up. This line, can you take it up? If you take it to the top, so you might not even see the line in paper. It just be white as that paper we are using. So it might not be visible. So we just bring it down somehow and click on okay, and click on OK. Okay, that's the color we have assigned to it. Then because of it's just a single object, I can change the line weight. So the line weight shouldn't be by layer. I will just choose 0.05. So with this line has been painted. So if I have other objects, I can now match property. Add the match property, just select the object, click on match property, and I begin to match other properties. Like if I match this property now. So now we'll now go to our paper space where we can see what we have done. See, it is already painted. Okay, it's faint now. See the property we matched is also faint. So this is simply how to paint an object. So if I want to paint it more, you can just click again, go back to that same place. Okay, color. So this time around I will take it to the top and say okay. Okay, so let me now go to paper space again. See, you're not even seeing the line. The line is white. You see the line here is like white. That's why I said if you take it to the very top, you might not see the line again. And if you print this document, you might not see this line. This line will just go. So this is how to paint your objects. You can paint it, you can make it as faint as whatever you want. So unlike some person that will just change the line weight and you think you have painted it. No, the line weight one is still okay, still good, but if you want to make it more faint, this is the procedure, this is the process for it. So okay, I will stop here. This is just what I want to show us. Okay, it's part of what I promised in the previous classes, but I was not able to achieve that because of what my system did. Okay, so I'll end here. Okay, if you need this site grading drawing, I've already attached it. I've already attached it somewhere where you can easily download it to your system. So in our previous classes, I've explained how to create a site grading drawing from start to finish. So this drawing is also up for your grab. If you need a template like this in your archive, you can simply check the description box and download from the link there from seller. So that's where I uploaded it. So you can download it and have the native file in your system, and you can just check. You can use it to even create a similar site grading plan if you have any. You can just keep it for knowledge sake. Because nobody knows when you're going to have a similar thing. So yeah, so it's good to always have this kind of templates with you so that whenever you have a similar job, you just dust to your template, bring it and look at it side by side, and from there you already know clearly what you're expected to do. Clearly, to be very clear for you. Okay, so if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please just subscribe today, like this video, and share also. Thank you very much because I know you have done that. Thank you very much.